It's Tuesday and I'm a graduate. I feel like such a dork being in this room surrounded by all of these scary posters. But it's only going to be like this for a short period of time. I think I'm going to be moving in with my sister sometime next week. I'm going to get a bed and move it all over. Yeah, so that'll be nice. I'll have my own little room there. And hopefully soon I'll have my own little job so I can pay for my own little portion of everything. But I'm excited to be doing that because this place is really cramped. This room is really cramped and it's the guest room. So, yeah. But I'm home. I'm safe. I'm a graduate. I'm sorry I didn't update on Sunday. It was Mother's Day. There was a lot going on, so I think you'll forgive me. Find it in your heart to forgive me. You hear the construction outside? They're still building condos. They've been building condos since I was in high school. So, so for graduation, I got up at 6:15 in the morning after not really sleeping at all. I think I went to bed at around 3 because I knew I couldn't sleep. I was way too excited. I kept going to bed and then getting back up because I couldn't sleep. But finally at around 3, I was like, I need to sleep. So I actually slept until 6:15, so it was about 3 hours of sleep. But I got up then, had to put my robes on, marched down to the stadium, walked around trying to find the line I was supposed to be in. There were like signs, but they hadn't put the signs up yet, so I was walking around and I was like, because I was so early. I'm always early. But then I got in my line. We stood in the line for about half an hour, and then we slowly marched in. And it was really nice. I wasn't falling asleep. I didn't cry. It was a very nice thing. Don't ask me what some of the stuff that was said was, because I don't remember. I was tired. But it was really nice. And the second ceremony was even better because I got to cross the stage and get my fake diploma. So they'll be mailing me my diploma soon, and I will film myself holding it so you can see it. At least I hope so, unless my parents commandeer it. But yeah, I'm a graduate, so I don't feel any different. I feel maybe a little bit more mature, but not really. I'm trying out different locations to stick my camera and to be in this room because there's stuff everywhere. I like this better because I can sit on the floor and I'm more level with the camera. I don't like when the camera is weird. So this is me sitting on the floor. Yeah. My camera is on top of a Hallmark Christmas cards box from several years ago. So, that's pretty much everything that has happened so far. Graduation, and then on Mother's Day we went out for dinner, and I opened a bunch of presents for graduation. I felt kind of bad because I had a bunch of presents, and Mom had a few presents, but it was just crazy graduation explosion. But that was Mother's Day, and I started watching The Mighty Boosh for the first time ever. I hope I'm saying that right. Probably not. Boosh, Mighty Boosh. But yeah, I started watching that for the first time ever, and I love it. It's very weird for me. Like, it's not the usual type of thing because there's so much silliness and fantasy and hand movements. But I really like it. I think Noel Fielding is adorable. I first discovered him because of Russell Brand. So thank you, Russell Brand. And thank you, Big Fat Quiz Show of the Year. Or Big Fat Quiz of the Year. Yeah. For that. That's all I got for today. So until Thursday, this is Tuesday, and we'll see if I'm still in this room or if I have relocated.